In this video, I will show you how to install Flutter in your Mac. This video is for Intel Mac. If you have the M1 chip, check out the next video. First, you will go on flutter.dev. You will click on the blue button Get Started on the top corner, and then you will find MacOS. You will go down until you find the Get the Flutter SDK, the blue button, and you will click on it. This will download Flutter. It may take 5 to 10 minutes. Then you will go inside Finder. Inside this one, you will go on Documents. It's very important that you follow all these steps. You will go on Documents. You will press Command Up. This will bring you to the home folder. And then you will press Command Up again. And you will take your home folder. Mine is called MacBook, but yours will be your name, I guess. And you will click on MacBook. In MacBook, you will create a new file called Flutter Dev. Okay? And then what you will need to do, I will just clean up to make it clear, like this. And I will take my Flutter file that I just downloaded, and I will put it inside my Flutter Dev folder. Okay, so you can see we have the Flutter Dev. If you click on Home, you click on Flutter Dev, Flutter, and you see the Flutter the folder bin. This is important. You will need to remember this one. Next, you will press on Command Space and you will open a terminal like this. First thing first, if you have the version Big Sur or Catalina, you can follow the steps, you can continue the steps. But if you have an oldest version like Mojave or High Sierra, then you will need to go at 4 minutes 33 of this video. So let's continue with the newest version of the Mac. You will go inside your terminal and you will write vim space the curve slash dot zshrc and you will press enter. This will open a file. You will click on I to insert things inside this terminal. You will scroll down inside the flutter.dev documentation until you find the update your path. You will take the step 3 and you will copy this one and paste it. It should look exactly like this. Good. Next, what we will need to do is remove the path to Flutter directory. So we will remove this. Make sure that you have exactly the same thing, because if you have something different, it will not work. Go back inside your folder, go inside MacBook, it's the home folder. You click on Flutter Dev, Flutter, and you see the bin folder. So this is the path we need to give the terminal. Inside you will write $home, make sure that you have exactly the same, / Flutter Dev. So you see the home folder, the Flutter Dev, Flutter, and bin. This is the path to the file bin. Next, you will press Escape, column WQ exclamation point, and then enter. And you should come back to this screen. Good, we have updated our path to the Flutter bin folder. Now you will open another terminal and you will write Flutter Doctor and you will press enter. This should load for 5 to 10 minutes, and this is to download Flutter. So I will just fast forward, and this is what you will have at the end. You see the check mark near Flutter? This means Flutter has been installed successfully. It's good. We will close the terminal, and we will reopen again. And inside this one, we'll rewrite Flutter Doctor, and this time it will take maybe 5 to 10 seconds to load. And you will see, once again, if you go up, you still have the check mark near Flutter. So it means everything worked fine. You can close it. You have successfully installed Flutter with your Mac. Now let's talk about the oldest version of the Mac, Mojave or High Sierra. You will still have your terminal, and inside your terminal you will write vim space dot bash underscore profile, and you will press enter. Inside this one you will press I to insert things inside. You will go back inside your documentation of Flutter. You will scroll down until you find the section Update Your Path. And when you have this, you will take the third one. So the point number 3, you will copy this and you will paste it inside the bash profile. Make sure that you have clicked I before to insert things. Then you will remove the path to Flutter Git directory. Actually, we will remove everything. So I will delete everything and I will just keep $path column. What you need to do is you need to go in your Finder. Inside your Finder, you will find your bin file that I told you. You will drag and drop inside the terminal. And also make sure to add the comma at the end. So make sure to have something like this: the user, your user, Flutter dev, Flutter, and bin. Then you will press escape, semicolon, column WQ exclamation point. Enter. Good. You should come back to these pages. This means the path has been updated. You will close the terminal and we will reopen the terminal. So I will open the terminal and inside I will write Flutter Doctor. Here you go. I will press enter and this should load Flutter. It will download Flutter. It might take 5 to 10 minutes. Good. I will just fast forward and now you will see the check mark near Flutter. So this means Flutter has been successfully installed. I will close the terminal and we will reopen the terminal just to verify if it worked fine. We will write Flutter Doctor another time and this time it will take maybe 5 to 10 seconds. You will go up and you will find the check mark and Flutter. So that means Flutter is successfully installed. That is great. So we have installed Flutter on our Macintosh. In the next video, what we will do is we will install Android Studio. See you in the next video. Bye.